Two microlenders, FMC Finance at Lion Finance Zimbabwe, collapsed despite operating a low-risk payroll lending model. The reason is now clear. For at least 5 months, government has been deducting loan repayments from civil servants' salaries, but not remitting the money to lenders. About $85 million has reportedly been withheld. Satamena mashoko budanyi kwa chinzi Guvamatanga Grand Heist. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipinda pa takabatana daily pabudanyi rachiti. This is not borrower default. It is a state non-payment. Treasury is effectively forcing microlenders to lend money to government at zero interest with no repayment date, pushing firms into insolvency. The same practice reportedly affects medical aid and NASA contributions, leaving civil servants denied services despite deductions appearing on pay slips. Contractors and suppliers face similar treatment, with some told payments for roads and terms will be spread over years. At the center is the Treasury Permanent Secretary George Guvamatanga, whose office controls cash releases. While officials speak of cash management, critics say the state is broke and surviving by sitting on money already collected. Selective spending continues on luxury vehicles and travel, while statutory obligations go unpaid. What is unfolding is not mismanagement, but a silent payroll and supplier heist, turning government from an intermediary into biggest risk in the system. Tomash Konokudachi expose wapangwa ino netakabatana vachiuya chiposta mapictures aiwa aGeorge Guvamatanga vachiti takabatana George Guvamatanga Grand Heist. Tomash Konokuda pangwa ino vachiexposa vakomana the ruling partisan PF vanoko kunzi vari kusiya employees vari kusiya civil servants vasina kana chino. Panguva ino mari panguva ino dzingotongwa zvisina tsarukano, dzisingazivikanwi kuti dziri kuenda kupi, dziri kushandei uye dzichadzoka rini, dzichaberekawo interest here or not. Pena comment section metu muzamafunguro emu matodiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.